not 1, 2, 3 types. Bharvan, Baingan, the Brinjal stuffed, the Indian way, the South, the Gujarati, the North Indian, the Punjabi style, and each one of them is excellent. These eggplants have to be stuffed like this. Let this slowly spread underneath. Everything is ready. When you mix it with rice, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. And today we are going to make varieties of eggplant. Eggplant, the brinjal, is considered to be the king of all the vegetables because it has got a kind of crown on the head. Indians, we have mastered how to make this eggplant in many variations. And today we are going to learn from South India to North India, Gujarat also. So these eggplants, the small ones are very tasty, but the first variety what I am going to do, our very famous Gutti Vankaya. For this we are going to have masalas that we need to slow roast. In a pan we are going to take Chana Dal, garlic, Jeera, Fennel seeds, the Urad Dal, Methi Dana, Hing, Coriander seeds and all of these. Drop off all the other ingredients and on a slow flame dry roast them. When the Chana Dal also get the color, we're going to add some coconut powder, a little bit of curry leaf. Let the coconut also get slight color. Look at this. You have to do this with a lot of patience. I'm going to add a pinch of hing also into this because this is almost ready. Put it in a blender, add a little bit of water and make this into a nice thick paste. This masala, very strong, very beautiful, wonderful. In this, we're going to add some salt. And also, in this, we're going to add thick tamarind paste. This tamarind paste is also optional, but I love to add. That will add the sourness. So I've added salt and a little bit of tamarind paste in this. You have to check the taste because this is going to get stuffed in the eggplant. The art is stuffing. So slit this eggplant into 4 quarters like this, then stuff this masala inside. For making this, you're going to add oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, add few mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start crackling, reduce the flame, arrange these eggplants in the oil. None of the masalas should come out. All these eggplants should just go and sit on the belly. Usually they don't put the lid on because these eggplants, they will lose their beautiful color. But if you want, you can put a lid like this so the moisture, whatever comes, it will help to cook these eggplants. Make it tasty, masaladar. This is not what we do, but I'm just going to show another technique. So here, finely chopped onion, put it at the bottom on one side and let the brinjal stay on the other side. The leftover masala, whatever is there, just add. Do not add any water, just leave it there. With the onions and this masala, this is going to become super tasty masaladar. On a slow cooking, the masala is all done, and in this, add some chopped coriander. We're going to keep it on the side. For me, Gujarati food is almost like home cooked food because my earlier years, when I worked for 5-star hotels, I worked 2 years in Gujarat. That's when I fell in love with the Gujarati food, the farsan and all that. So I'm going to make the Gujarati Barelu, Baingan, Ringan Batanu Shak. In this recipe, we are going to use the chickpea flour, the besan. We're going to take the chickpea flour and we're going to slowly roast it. You can also add some more of the ingredients in this to make this entire thing very tasty, and on a low heat. You do not want to burn any of this. Actually, I can see some of them getting slightly colored. In this, I'm adding some peanut powder, some sesame seed powder. It is the same recipe, people do it differently. End result will be the same thing. In this, add the desiccated coconut powder, some turmeric, hing. So the masalas, whatever is there, I'm slowly cooking in this. We're going to add a little bit of garam masala powder for nice flavor. The earlier one, we added a little bit of tamarind juice. But in this, we're going to add amchur powder. So amchur powder will give that kattapan what is needed. Once this is all nicely roasted, add some salt. Keep cooking it on a slow flame till you get the nice aroma. Some coriander powder, chili powder. Final ingredient is a little bit of sugar. This sugar will give very good taste for this mixture. The masalas are good. Don't ever burn any of the masalas, otherwise it will get bitter. And when this is all roasted, transfer this into a plate. In this, we're going to add some water and make this like a paste. And then we're going to stuff the eggplants. So the mixture is all nice. Stuff inside all the masala. So much of the masala goes in. Even for this, we're going to add some oil in a pan. Always, check the taste. Just outstanding. The sugar, added one very little. You will not be able to tell if you are not like regular foodie. In this, add these eggplants. The same way we fried the other one, we are going to fry this also. In between, just rotating these brinjals. After frying it for some time, slowly rotate it. Fry them till they are nice and perfect. The first one was Gutti Vankaya. This is a Barelu Baingan, Gujarati style. Now, third one we are going to do is the Punjabi style. So, here we can take some garlic, one piece of ginger. In this, we are going to add some onion. So, everybody has a different style of making. If you are a Punjabi and it's not made like this, you may have your own method. But always, the end result, I always bring the best of the best taste. So, watch out. So, in this, add some turmeric. I've got some coriander powder, some amchur powder. Also, I'm going to add some tomatoes. So, the amchur powder as well as the tomatoes will give that nice sour taste. In this, if you want, you can also add some fennel, little bit, but not much. And that is my addition. In this, add some chili powder, cumin powder. We're going to make the paste out of this and then we're going to stuff the eggplant. Gujarati eggplant is also all ready. Add some chopped coriander and this is ready to serve. For the Punjabi one, the paste, I have added tomatoes and everything and I have made the paste. We are going to take the brinjals and do the same thing, stuff them. So, in this we have tomatoes and the onions and everything. The masala will not burn easily like the one, the Gujarati one and the Andhra one. So, the masalas can get burnt easily. But this one has onions and everything, the tomatoes, all of them raw. So, we are going to cook. And this one you can add little water and make it like a gravy and thicken it also, but we are going to make it dry. It is little bit work, but we are going to do it right way. For making this, add some oil in a pan. We have this masala left, we are going to add it later, but first let's put the eggplants in there like this. Let these eggplants sizzle in it. It looks like all the eggplant are having a party in the pan. The center part, I just want to add this masala. I'm going to add little water, so that this one goes and cooks well, make it like little bit like a thicker paste. So now you can pour this, let this slowly spread underneath, put the lid on and the raw flavor, everything will be cooked. When it is perfect, the salt and everything in the masala is already checked. When this is done, we're going to mix it and then we're going to serve all the three. Slow cooking, this masalas, everything will be cooked, perfectly done. Look at that. Nothing should be burned. It can happen only when you do it on a very careful cooking. Of course, because of the tomato and all that, this is slightly reddish in color. So, everything is ready. Let's go ahead and serve and enjoy. First one is Gutti Vankaya Kura because obviously, I'm crazy about this. And I also made a little bit masala. In this, there are many variations. If I add some of the greens like coriander, mint paste also and add to this, you can see a couple of variations of these ones I have done in my earlier show. When you mix it with rice, this will become getting coated with this masala. Followed by a complete bite. There is not a small bite, half bite, a complete bite. That is what we do with this Gutti Vankaya. The next one is the Gujarati one. It has got that little bit of sugar and then the peanut powder, everything. This one, I don't need anything, but this was quite a big brinjal. So, this eggplant, when I eat this, I think this is the best. So, next one is the Punjabi style. The Punjabi masala here, look at this. And as I told you, people make it various versions. Here, I've got the nice masala. That is what I love. This masala itself is nice, flavorful. When I eat this, I think the Punjabi Bharvan Baingan is even more better than both of them. Whatever is in your hand, whatever you're eating, I think that becomes automatically the best. This is just out of the world. All I tell my friends, make the best of the best food, eat it. And when you eat good food, keep saying vareva. Share these recipes with your family and friends and every day, super vareva. Wow. So dear friends, not 1, 2, 3 types of this Bharvan, Baingan, the Brinjal stuffed the Indian way, the South, the Gujarati, the North Indian, the Punjabi style, and each one of them is excellent. You got to share this recipe with your family and friends on Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media you use.